Okay, FM. Okay. 101.7.
Yawra Peter Buama Otukuno, Deputy General Secretary, Edema Elisa Mayukono. Why you name him watching?
Carmen Yozo.
Abacordia.
Yanko Padaro, the Adomir.
Then Ramoko Koto, a fire registration, who na Probe, that's what court, Namoko Ensono, court to a casse.
Yo, I mean, no crack, and la, NEC, any electoral commission, the copiemu, our court, general jurisdiction 5. Na, ye kwa and some phobia, I recognize court, our registration exercise, their cost. And teach any registration, electoral commission, here and I've been said. Ebeye our secondary schools awudu ebra that secondary schools no enye registration centers electoral commission no apaw na wa gazette na wodi ama amuliku awudu no amaye nyina yinim se registration centers se mo be kaya be se na otwe miensani ana se mienu ni akiri kakra ni ye ko ipac Emma EVI pack we the whole same big batuga. Na wamo free pack no. I think say on the 10th of July. Na ya water. Ya call ya no more every 2 years limited. If you are done a day DHD no. Any memene dana. Wamo percent wamo year registration. Our secondary schools are udwa ewo mind gun. Na one year we saw most schools are here. Ena womu pese womu registration no ebudi electoral commission for me and schools ahe womu pese womu registration ke hu se schools no ahodo ho no ma registration centers dada police stations to ho aba enti yo ho no mo de ya gazette ama yiti na enim se ho registration center ama party ahodo ayen shiseye yede agents ko na womu akodi hoduma na so free pupuru na wo say wo de machines ahodo ko various secondary schools so ko register omo emu na nkakra because electoral commission mura mu no CI 126 no e kire wo kwan a wo pass equity registration center e was section 2 na akire wo kwan so create polling center na wo be fa so ama polling center na registration center no abe legitimate akire wo say so ko registration site unya ye waage at electoral commission say aha any ha wo pese wo create registration center ho ni ya ne say o de be ko na wa ko gazette na wa publicize it now the ama political party 21 days before the registration starts. Now pray to prove na okache say adichia a wodi fidie schools bi akwa registration emu ona na ebuso omo say na emra ben and support sadie because emra da manimi and support sadie ya mukoye so a edi oyi ne beba because edi abato no emu nsensam bi ebe fakwan bi so a anhwe ya the credibility of the electoral process no would be reduced. Womu kasre ezewo womu dio womu tu womanam na womu tumi se ombe create education center ben no create crap enye omu na womu ka so mo de machines na eko kwa bi tini ye pon na Ghana Education Service ene chiro omu nka ta se isan se ya die ni ntino ene exams ni ntino womu pese omu di fidie no eba o makachi ene se na enyamoa na bese na otumi enu etwa abu ya ye ne mo twi da ro Supreme Court abosi enye obia na kire mo adwuma obi antini kire mo kwan ba mo adwuma etiene Ghana Education Service tron ka tabre zemumra na mo tisu yodo yudo Ghana Health Service so tron be mo semum ko hospitals awu do onko ye registration mo be tisu yodo na omo maka so tro ba na o de ko companies na o de ko ministry so they call the state assembly China ye electoral commission ni mana hono mo no wo mo nyam wa yi ama ema meeting no ekoye inconclusive me teme ho ase ba ye ma meeting no abruptly end na nsema yɛrenzi wɔ hɔ no mo no critical part no ne sɛ electoral commission dwumadie mmara ne yɛ mmara no mo ne yɛakɔtwe ho daa yɛ ama supreme court so mmara wei na yɛmfa nkɔyɛ adwuma subject to CI 126 it's subject to CI 126 na woyɛ adwuma no na wofiri saa CI 126 na wokɔfɛ mmara bi efiri botom anaasɛ wode w'adwen ɛyɛ adeɛ bi ɛmfa fam a na yɛ adeɛ a ɛyɛ yɛtumi yɛn amanyɔkuo no ahodoɔ ɛne Ghana kuo nyinaa no yɛtumi make sure sɛ womfa saa apiti kwan no so ɛnkɔyɛ saa adeɛ ɛnaa no wate sɛ Salagasa yisi official bi MPP foɔ ne nafa apiti kwan so afa afidie ɛde akɔhyɛ dan bi mu ɔmo register do ɛna police foɔ gye ne kwan sɛ electoral commission ɛma mo kwan sɛ yɛbɛtumi afa machine na akɔ baabi biara akɔ register ɛbrɛ a ɛnyɛ designated registration center ɛnyɛ gazetted registration center nea wɔn ho kwan ne sɛ te sɛ sɛ deɛ MPP foɔ yɛ wɔ Salaga South yɛ akɔti abranti wɔn mo bɛtumi ayɛ wɔ baabi bebree a menu wo kasa yi registration na ɛkɔ so no na bɛsi bi kura po na mo sɔ ɔmo si ɔmo yɛ over computation there ɛyi computation errors again. It is animal winning now Kabuma. Not just we bet you have a particular so. Add double counting numbers or no, add the numbers in the account. We are what first you not could show be there. Now, what registration no one. We are you a Yama Kenya police station winner, a your registration was our police station. Yes, Emma, you cry, anything. You put out almost say. Adeɛ ne nyɛ gazetted registration center na ɔkɔyɛ registration wɔn police station bɛɛ na ɔde ɔmo bɛto efi ɔmo anuawo yɛyɛ registration bi bi a na yɛakyɛ ɔmo agu nearby police station so ɛyi ɛnna kwame ayi
adeɛ baako a mete yɛ ne sɛ wɔn se saa school hɔ na wɔn yɛ adeɛ no wɔ hɔ no one because nkwalaa na ɛyɛ restricted to moving outside no ɛyɛ one. Afei code no a nearby registration center na no mo ede wo man create new code bia
Babi CI 126 menfa na kire se covid ba utimi di machine ra ba bia ope bia sabio covid na aba na
we are not in normal times
center no I me bo who say electoral commission the fidie bia for isolation center so ko register covid for enti covid nya excuse say we di bebu emra ne so ye to so bienu police station eben school na adenti na won fa afidie nu nkosi police station ho na won ma school for no emba na won be fa life for na won ka se saa machine we bi school for no kwa na ese bi omunti omuntra na won observe social distancing protocols school bia e wo ba ewo memha council president Maham se police station wakra na ebe se P7 eko ayi Tesano police station enya no an se wafa kai na odi aso nkola yi wo nko register odi maba odi next back enya sa de ye no enti eba de saying na obe friend fidie ni dia ko school wo no ma ebra etiam kwabe hwe secondary school kwala no na wo mu to abak. In fact, what my crack say, what move the TBS representative for the power. When you break some of the problem here in people. Now, a man will be in the CV and can't send me and for them, so NDC form secondary school for the better. Debbie, in fact, about what we say, you can't make a person will be here at Waba, and NDC form. In fact, your public education you intensify farm or more first time because you grana near Kufuado area or member. A pioneer a Bonia President Kufuado, a diabo member. A Benedia Yao dear a good threat. You must say, one more best affect your mupa a secondary school for ya or more count. And no Kodan Chenya. Womwa amamu boni edi omunya pa chese enema esenka ebwa wo madisua ko kan man ko mbe mpedimpa womanya president Kufuado afai na ye ejine den na chese Nati na on TV videos na ebi mu ye kwala ni abere hwe yawa wo mu di o mafo mu ebi ahwere o mu kwa election ti yenkoye yemfa kwala ni nko na chinchine a o mu nko twere eti na enwo atetua ye di ba ma kwado bi ye nim se school for no be totia ne pa but ye nim se kwado o be totia no ma to ama president Mahama enye enough justification say ye di bebu emula ne so
obi so say wozu nkwala ne beto atia no ebi so argument ni say papa yi na nso ba ye a wabem wo mu free senior high enti the possibility say wo mu so beto ama no e dey say thank you no eno so ye big
kwame emi de say wa ko fa sha free senior high asemi free senior high medical answer na president Mahama bi fi akunya so no wa start free senior high no be a o could do school fee more than 4 na kubado de beka so o share statistics na free 2017 ba bi 2020 wo mu a wo mu tro sa exams we the first batch of senior high school wa wo mo timi akomu akodru bebia wo mo tro exams fine yen shen kwala dubo he ena president Akufo-Addo on FCS ni free SHS ya odi borders for the plan abwa wo mu amomanye school kwan mu ekwan se o calculate nkwala eko every school nu na o hwe o de toto nkwala wo mu wura mu 2019 omo mu wie 2019 wo mu wie 2018 ene omo mu wie 2017 a wo be se number no eso actually say fi ebra enrollment eko soro ewo omo mu exams mu be se 10.99% in 2015 eko soro be se 9.61 in 2018 not just 2018 omo mu be school mu be se 2015 no 2019 omo mu be school mu 2017 immediately after president Mahama free akunya so sa group no wo mu ekosuru ohanchemu ebiokono ebiokono ne akiripo edumotwe 9.18% ene ekosuru etino osha infrastructure na president Mahama see in 2016 no eno ba fasoma in fact nkwala ne kra no mo munye school bu kwan ne kai pa publication bi daily graphic match wo mu ka say nkwala mo wie JSS no mo ko secondary school no school dan na yesi no ye place o mo a ye benya excess of about 140,000 school children it will show numbers ni free kon kan pa o 2018 a wo mo tro exams no 316,999 10 year pa o 2019 a wo mu a wo tro exams no 346,000 and 98 not just a course by 29,000 not just a wo mu school no mu free 2015 2016 2017 no numbers no wo so pa next year wo mu tro exams afi wo mu 375,737 and the real school no eko wi aso no kwame oni ma here a tro exams no wo mu a wo tro exams no 313,837 se o ma kakakra se o ti 313,837 no e free 375,000 more not just enkwala no be over 60,700 and no more free SHS no then so much me $1 million question and yes you busa president Akufo-Addo and the minister of education send alarm wo mo way more records or more records on the atuga 375,000 as we are our cultural exams no we 313,000 more room nsɛmbisɛ bi wɔ hɔnom a ɛsɛ mpanyinfoɔ ebeyi ano na kyerɛ sɛ nkwalaa no wɔn yɛ drop out anaa ɛdɛn na ma wɔn antumi ankɔ sukuu ame reasons ni bi ebi a betumi de ma adwene afa ho ne sɛ ɔbɛka ya nkwalaa de bebree report baayɛ sɛ wɔn kɔ a esan sɛ double track no na yɛde aba a yɛmfa nkwalaa ne bi antoto mpɔtamu a wɔn ɛbɛn wɔn fie a wɔn betumi ayɛ day students akɔ aba ne yɛde wɔn kɔto akura baabi ase gyesi yɛ day school ne akɔ obi afiri kan ha ne yɛde ne kɔ na nkpɛnduri na ɔyɛ day student na wakɔpɛ hostel ɛmi sɛ n'ano student yi a wɔwu wɔ ɛyi takradi ne maame ɛsɛ akwalaa no kɔ day school batɔ da hostel ɛna yareɛ ɛkɔ kaa no wɔ hɔ no ɛna kyenkyen a ɛsɛ ɔmo nkɔ na ɔda hostel ɛna kɔli yi ebie n'anum ɛna akwalaa yi di ahwere ne nkwa deɛ mede maa bi nsusu ne sɛ kwame ne bo mede maa bi nsusu ne sɛ saa nkwalaa yi a woguo yi a ebi enya mpiriwani nsɛn a ne yɛ ka ho asɛm a wɔn sɛ me yɛ nka nkwalaa yi ahodoɔ a ebi ɛdwan ne ɛyi kubɔlɔkuokuo yi a ebi mu ɛyɛ nneɛma a ɛmfa kwa ho social media delinquent a ebi mu bɔko ebi mu nkɔ sukuu no ebi mu nenam ebi mu hyiwi ne n'asefoɔ ebetumi aba de sɛ saa 60,000 nkwalaa no a wɔn drop out no may be out of this social issues saa double track yi de ba ya kan wa sɛm aka was a meeting. So the evidence show say the educational system at the secondary has become weak under President Akufo-Addo.
Ena ebe ini otu.
Aladu na nkese omunye school kwa no mfaso. Na omu be ye mpenimpa. Enya ho kwan ambeye mpenimpa. Enya ho kwan anya school kwa no mfaso. It is no problem kafi but in all this, no share record now. Who said there was a period that there was a significant change in the enrollment number. When we call secondary school in 2015, 2016, you realize that the number is exceedingly large. Not a move. There's almost 60%. Of day students are not go school free. And you know, President Akufo-Addo and never beneficiary of a system when one person put in place and didn't call any yaman palano after a walk with you.
Okay, and
President Akufo-Addo number 2. And this one college school said COVID him on exams. Palani Ekunya idea said you work on the trips. What didn't say? Over town mark said. President Akufo-Addo and his VSHS are going to go pure water about. So these are the issues that we are talking about.
Okay.
But beyond that, bank, the issue now is to put down court.
Wana na mi pesa about you come on.
Yeah, you copy mono. You copy see anything. Then now we a registration. You file a court, a motion, and you serve on notice. Yes, everyone knows it. So, if you may be a would be a if you can fast to phone a woody and I hear in application, yes, everyone notice. Ultra from 1 year to 1 year to die. Now the 2 coin now forget it. Katana had the command electoral commission. Yet the command woman, the fear that area, there's a 132 according to Bailey for the document. When we see notice no and on course a year registration or more year memory. A Jordan, when we a press conference, or one time can a shoot no. Meanwhile, no records stretch or one sack. And now, memory then, so no, one more effort a year registration. Not just a year any that funny. When my being said, court to nation say, you will be so, and then but I will be so. Now, I think the electoral commissioner, the creation of the law.
Eddie,
we be in a new fair, we be in Brasso.
Eddie Moko court on a day, say court on the same power.
If Marima read the way answer, the same thing say, when who are being put be say, President Akufo-Addo near to 4,000 which. Now, President Akufo-Addo soon now buying a control the judiciary. It's young and ye pa ye de kokota ye be bu amai
eti court si say
na enra ye kopie mu no court no ebusa wo mo say wo mo a response to motion na ye file yen ewo because o man is appearance but o mo fe no buy and also so e ba ne sa dia and ye be tinye bu application for judgment na o mo nye judgment court wo na ye gina na no mo yi fi o ba bi o response ye mun ko file wo court registry ye ni won krata so NDC so enter NKI when we say aka 9 days ni akọ judicial vacation and you not just deliberately no person for criticate and I get we say sa dia no mo ye ni eto so o my dey so mo be delay process or your vacation yet it you know or is ready to sit on the matter because at some way here I see dealing with it expeditious. Kwame, the electoral commission lawyer said judicial break or no available. And you bizarre so quite was who will holidays. And I did
hey the court no say ye patch o mundi le case no me boa.
Oh, na say no the tax. Kwame, where o present o mo be the court Mr. Mundi le case.
And it's so that you can say it for a fact. When him say court there, it's not hinged on suspicions and here and there.
Kwame, and I'm say, who be not lawyer be the baby now, and you could crack at the judge, the case. Hey, what to be that? Time your man no move fast with the delay case because certain lawyer judge suggested say, young yesterday not 26 26 to 27 of this month next week, yeah. And a lawyer and this one available. No, okay. Available. Then you get your vacation.
Okay.
And I get your vacation. What's the vacation with your own comfortable? Judge, and I said, Pantano Akana. What you mean by embassy case is very important. Put that on the illegality of the registration exercise.
It's judge
you really say they are putting the destiny of the young people in danger because the court will declare even in October say registration was illegal. Not just register as dates now registration to me confusion in the say woman court register to a album. Now to say one more NHI register 2012 2015 year of free. And also, not only make a year paper. If you are doing an electoral commission, every two Sahana Mumbia, when you say Sahana Mumbi, that you never bring Malaya or register for 12. And look at that, guess what? A real waste of resources, not just a causing financial loss.
And yeah, a judgment, a beba, next year, you come. That's it. Me quite be a
it's I say, Wamu court the procedure and so Yene ya lawyer wana kasa. Say, any contempt of court. It's your court vacation in Paswa. You contempt all ma, ye the best wow. I know soon also Omukoyi the one. As will be a Mrano man who finds so deep more gun hano. As who say, a Mrano Sutan. Now, okay, Article 290, actually said the amount of state power to deliver state services. You don't apply the power selectively, capriciously, and whimsically. And that is exactly what the electoral commission is doing.
Ora Peter Boama Utukuno, Deputy General Secretary, the Ma, NDC, and you can now check 101.7.
Okay, FM 101.7.